Hi everyone, it's Anett here with a new card making video. I'm so inspired by the beautiful washi tapes. Those washes are just gorgeous and I just want to have it all, and I'm sure you do as well. But today I am working with the coordinating stamps and dies that are just as gorgeous, and they let you create beautiful projects. I used the English garden stamp, and as I learned from the talented Shannon, she is part of the card design team at Pinkfresh Studio. So I stamped the image using my Misty, but a different way. I secured my tool to the table and I stamped using the outside of the door of my Misty. This is an awesome trick to stamp slimline stamps that doesn't fit inside a stamp positioner. It is important only to secure both the positioner and the paper. I stamped twice using the Stargazer color from Pinkfresh ink pad. The dies are so fantastic, they are all together, so you can cut all the flowers in one go. I just love this new feature and it saves a lot of time and a lot of energy. Such a clever idea. Here I am creating the base of my card. I cut with the smallest of the Slim Stitch rectangle dies, and I also used the Slim Stitches die on it to create this beautiful stitched effect. I ink blend this panel using 4 colors. The Stargazer, the Regal Kiss, Candy Violet and the Soft Lilac. I also colored the scrap cardstock to cut it and use it as my border. I cut it simply with 2 different size slim stitch rectangles combined. I adhered the ink blended panel to a white card base using foam tape. I cut it with the same rectangle die. This way it is nice and even. So this panel is raised, but the blue border is just adhered to the card base. I splatter on the card using some white acrylic spray, and I create a lovely cluster using the stamped blue-white flowers on one side of the card. I used a lovely sentiment from the stamp set and I embossed it with gold on a vellum stripe. The added gold looks so nice, so I went ahead and splattered a bit with golden paint off camera, and I also embellished with jewels from Pinkfresh Studio. So this is the final card. I loved the colorful background and the clean look of the blue-white flowers. I also made a pair for this card using the leftover stamped flowers. On this card I made a watercolor wash background and I splattered with gold. The flowers are colored using gold and metallic paint. Only gold and soft lilac, these 2 colors, because I wanted to stay monochromatic. The sentiment is stamped at the bottom. It is also embossed with gold. I hope you like my cards and this video. All used supplies you can find in the description. Feel free to ask me anything if you have any questions. Thank you so much for your support and please join me next time too. Bye bye.